Real money pokies in Australia come with distinct internal mechanics that directly affect how your cash sessions play out, and understanding these differences helps you match games to your playing style and budget. When you're exploring pokies for real cash, you're looking at titles that operate through varied systems. Some pokies build their gameplay around free spins as separate bonus rounds that function independently from your standard paid spins, while others are jackpot pokies, where progressive prize pools accumulate based on player activity across the network. Take Megaways slots as a concrete example. These games actively change the number of winning combinations available on each spin, which creates higher volatility sessions where outcomes swing more dramatically between spins. The online pokie sites serving Australian players typically host thousands of these variants in their libraries, so knowing whether a specific pokie includes free spins features or jackpot mechanics helps you select games that align with how you prefer to play for real cash. The best online pokie sites Australia players can access distinguish themselves through two primary factors: the breadth of their game variety and how well they've optimized for mobile play. When you're comparing libraries that exceed 4,000 titles, you'll find everything from classic 3-reel pokies that use simple payline structures to progressive jackpot slots, where the prize pools grow continuously as players across the platform contribute to the total. This matters significantly when playing pokies for real cash, because mobile performance directly impacts how you interact with bonus features. Touchscreen controls need to respond smoothly when you're navigating free spins rounds or triggering jackpot sequences. Sites that prioritize mobile-first design ensure your real money sessions run fluidly, regardless of whether you're activating jackpots or working through standard payline wins, and this stability becomes crucial during extended play sessions. Before you deposit at online pokie sites Australia offers, filtering games by their core mechanics saves time and matches you with suitable titles faster. If you want frequent bonus action during your sessions, prioritize video slots that feature free spins as their primary bonus mechanism. These games trigger bonus rounds more regularly and keep gameplay moving. For players focused on big win potential, jackpot pokies become the logical choice since they offer prize pools that can reach substantial amounts. Cluster pay slots represent another distinct category worth understanding. These games pay through symbol groups rather than traditional paylines, which fundamentally changes how you interpret each spin's outcome and what constitutes a winning combination. Always verify the site's licensing credentials before depositing, and check mobile compatibility thoroughly if you'll be playing Real Money Pokies Australia on your phone, because gameplay stability during cash sessions directly impacts your overall experience and how smoothly bonus features execute when they trigger.